How to request control in Google Meet. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can request control in Google Meet. So how can you make a request? The first step is to sign in into your Google Meet account and then join a meeting. Once you join a meeting as a participant, you would see other participants on this page. And the next step would be for you to move to the top part of the screen, click on the meeting code, and then you'll be brought to the people's page where you will see all of the participants here. So the next step will be for you to find your name in the participant list. Then move to the right side, click on the three dots that you can see there. Then once you click on the three dots, a list of options will be displayed. Amongst these options displayed, you will see the option request control. So click on it. Once you click on it, a polite notification will be sent to the host indicating your desire to take turns in sharing or to speak. Then next step would have to wait patiently for the host to grant your control. You must note that the host has a right to either decline or to accept your request. So, but this is how we can request control in Google Meet. You can see how quick and easy it is. Once you are logged in, move to the top right corner, top part of the screen to be precise, click on the meeting control, find your participants lists, find your name, move to the right side, click on the three dots, choose request control, and a polite notification will be sent to the host. Thank you for watching and have a good day.